Part 1. Asking about different gym membership plans.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Person: Hi. I'm interested in joining the gym, but I'd like to know more about your membership plans. Could you give me some details? Trainer: Of course. We offer several membership options to suit different needs. We have a monthly plan, a quarterly plan, and an annual membership. Each plan includes access to all gym equipment, but the longer the membership, the more you save. Person: That sounds good. Could you tell me the difference in pricing? Trainer: Sure. The monthly membership costs $50 per month, the quarterly plan is $135 for 3 months, and the annual membership is $480, which means you save 2 months' fees compared to the monthly plan. Person: That's interesting. Do you offer any discounts? Trainer: Yes, we do. We have student discounts and corporate packages for employees of certain companies. Also, if you sign up for a yearly plan, we offer a 10% discount on personal training sessions. Person: Oh, that's great. Do your membership plans include fitness classes as well? Trainer: Yes, but it depends on the plan. The basic membership gives you access to gym equipment, while the premium membership includes group fitness classes like yoga, Zumba, and strength training. Personal training sessions are available at an extra cost. Person: I see. And what about gym timings? Trainer: Our gym is open from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day, and members can come at any time. We also have special early morning and late night slots for those with busy schedules. Person: That's really helpful. I'll think about it and get back to you soon. Trainer: No problem. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'd be happy to assist you.
Part 2. A guided city tour explaining the main attractions.
You have some time to look at the questions.
One of the most memorable guided city tours I have experienced was in Paris, France. Paris is known as the City of Lights and is famous for its breathtaking architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture. The tour lasted for around 6 hours and covered some of the most iconic landmarks of the city. The tour started at Notre Dame Cathedral, a stunning Gothic church with intricate carvings and stained glass windows. Our guide explained its history, including how it took nearly 2 centuries to complete and its significance in French culture. Unfortunately, due to the fire in 2019, much of the structure was under restoration, but it was still an amazing sight to see. From there, we took a short walk to the Louvre Museum, home to the famous Mona Lisa and countless other masterpieces. Although we didn't have time to explore the entire museum, the guide provided interesting insights into the most famous artworks and the history of the Louvre itself. Next, we moved on to the Champs-Élysées, one of the most famous avenues in the world. It was lined with luxury shops, cafes, and theaters, and at the end of it stood the magnificent Arc de Triomphe. Our guide shared the history of this monument, which was built to honor the soldiers who fought in the Napoleonic Wars. One of the highlights of the tour was our visit to the Eiffel Tower. We took an elevator to the 2nd level, where we could see the entire city from above. The guide told us about the tower's construction, its initial criticism, and how it eventually became the symbol of Paris. To end the tour, we took a boat ride along the Seine River, which provided stunning views of the city's landmarks. As we cruised past beautiful bridges and historic buildings, the guide pointed out interesting facts and stories about Paris. I took this tour with my best friend, and we both found it fascinating. The guide was extremely knowledgeable and made the experience more engaging by sharing fun facts and historical details. This tour was not just about sightseeing. It was also an opportunity to understand the deep history and culture of Paris. Overall, I found this guided city tour to be well organized, informative, and unforgettable. It allowed me to explore Paris in a structured way while learning about its historical and cultural significance. If I ever visit Paris again, I would love to take another guided tour to discover even more hidden gems of the city.
Part 3. A student discussing their dissertation topic with tutor.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Tutor, so, have you decided on a topic for your dissertation yet? Student, yes, I have. I'm planning to write my dissertation on the impact of social media marketing on small businesses, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic. I think it's a very relevant topic with lots of scope for research. Tutor, that does sound interesting. What made you choose this topic? Student, I've always been interested in digital marketing, and during my internship, I saw how small businesses used platforms like Instagram and Facebook to attract customers. I realized that many of them relied heavily on social media, especially when physical stores were closed. That inspired me to explore the topic in depth. Tutor, that's a strong rationale. Have you thought about your research question and methodology? Student, yes. My main research question is, how effective is social media marketing in increasing sales and customer engagement for small businesses? I plan to use mixed methods, both surveys and interviews. I'll conduct surveys with customers and interview small business owners in the local area. Tutor, good. Just make sure your sample size is manageable, and your questions are clear and unbiased. Are there any challenges you foresee? Student, I think the biggest challenge will be getting responses from business owners. They're usually very busy. Also, gathering honest customer feedback might be tricky. But I'm hoping that offering anonymity will encourage people to be open. Tutor, that's a good approach. Make sure to also review existing literature so you can identify any gaps your research might fill. Student, yes, I've already started reading journal articles on digital marketing trends and consumer behavior. It's helping me build a solid foundation. Tutor, excellent. It sounds like you're on the right track. Keep refining your focus and don't hesitate to ask for guidance along the way. Student, thank you, I really appreciate your support. I'm looking forward to developing this project further.
Part 4. The impact of artificial intelligence on society.
You have some time to look at the questions.
Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is increasingly shaping the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Its influence can be seen across almost every industry, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. One of the most noticeable impacts of AI is in the workplace, where machines and intelligent software are now able to perform tasks that once required human effort. In areas like manufacturing, AI-powered robots are assembling products with high precision, while in the customer service sector, chatbots and virtual assistants are handling inquiries efficiently and around the clock. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnosis by analyzing complex medical data, identifying diseases like cancer at early stages, and supporting doctors in creating personalized treatment plans. Furthermore, in everyday life, AI is present in smartphones, smart home devices, and even online platforms, recommending what to watch, where to shop, or how to plan our day based on user behavior. However, despite its many benefits, the growing presence of AI in society raises some serious concerns. One of the most debated issues is the potential loss of jobs, especially for workers in roles that involve repetitive tasks. Many fear that automation could widen the gap between skilled and unskilled labor, leaving a large section of the population unemployed or underemployed. In addition, the use of AI comes with risks related to privacy and data security, as most AI systems depend on collecting vast amounts of personal information. There is also the issue of algorithmic bias, where AI systems can unintentionally discriminate against certain groups due to the way they are programmed or the data they are trained on. Furthermore, ethical dilemmas arise when AI is used in sensitive areas such as surveillance, military operations, and law enforcement. If not properly monitored, these technologies could be misused and pose serious threats to human rights and freedoms. In conclusion, AI is undeniably a powerful tool that offers numerous advantages to modern society. It can boost productivity, improve quality of life, and solve problems that were previously too complex for humans alone. Yet, to truly benefit from AI, we must also address the social, ethical, and economic challenges it brings. Governments, tech companies, and communities need to work together to develop clear policies, promote transparency, and ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly and fairly. Only then can we create a future where AI supports human progress without compromising our values and well-being.
Now it's time to check your answers. You can pause your video.